Thank you, boys. Time for lunch. You don't need to be Houdini to grill a panini, but with this much versatility, your recipes are guaranteed to be yummy. So here you have it, the Bella Panini Grill. Sure, the name says panini, but the beauty of this little guy is that it can cook all sorts of things. Deli-style sandwiches, hash browns, even burger patties. Let your imagination run free. It's really 4 appliances in one. A grill, a griddle, a panini maker, and a contact grill. To preheat the grill, simply plug in the outlet. The ready indicator will light up right when you're good to grill. Lift the lid and place the sandwich on the panini maker. And if you really want to be a fancy pants grill master, press down on the Cool Touch handle to get great grill marks. And presto. The lid also flips open 180 degrees, converting the panini grill into a flat surface. To boot, the durable, removable nonstick plates make cleaning this little puppy a cinch. Its compact build also makes it easy to store in your kitchen. Trust me, you'll want to keep it accessible. Making deli quality sandwiches at home is now slick and easy, thanks to Bella.